In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Epic Games error could not create directory, which is the LS0003 error code. Now first what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for run. In here you want to type in percentage, local app data percentage, press OK. Find your Epic Games launcher, saved, and delete your web cache folders. Now if you cannot delete them, it's because you have Epic Games open somewhere, so go into Task Manager, find it, and end the task. Simply delete your web cache folders, and after you've done that, you want to right click on Epic Games, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Activate Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and activate Run this program as an administrator. After you've done that, it should hopefully work. If it's still not working, you can do a clean uninstall. So go to Apps and Features, search for Epic Games Launcher, uninstall, and then restart your PC. Now reinstall Epic Games Launcher and see if it works. Now usually deleting the web cache folders or running as an administrator with the compatibility mode should work for you. So see if it works. If it does, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.